guys, tumitingin kami ng parang cabinet, parang like a drawer para sa mga damit sa bahay. Let me see what we can buy from here. Ang gagawin natin is we will have to pick the item number like that. At times, I just take a picture of that one. So, lahat ng details nandyan. Kaboxes lang siya downstairs. Kukunin mo lang siya. Tapos, bahala ka na mag-assemble or you can have someone assemble it for you for a price. So, ito, nakakita na kami. We're gonna buy that one. So, yan ang details niya. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a picture of that or write it down, the detail. Yan yung pick it up yourself in self-serve furniture at number blah blah, aisle 10 and bin number 19. So, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's go. Guys, so nandito na kami sa self-serve furniture. So, that's aisle 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There you are. To aisle number 10. So, the bin number, we will start from, what's this? So, that's bin 1 to 3. So, I'm starting from aisle 10, bin 1 to 3. I'm looking for aisle 10, bin number 19. So, medyo pataas siya, no? That's 4 to 6. So, banda pa rin yung 19. Let's go, guys. Found it. Aisle 10, bin number 19. So, I am looking for that drawer or cabinet. I think ito siya. So, para sa akin, mas madali tingnan yung price muna. And then, I'll double check with the color and also the item number. So, it says number of packages, 2 boxes. Number 1 and number 2. So, 2 boxes ang kailangan namin kunin. We got it. So we are now gonna assemble this one. We're starting now. And hopefully, this will be of big help. Kung minsan, challenge talagang mag-assemble eh. Pero here in Canada, dapat marunong ka ng DIY kasi kung mag-hire ka pa ng gagawa niyan, it's gonna, it's gonna cost you money. So, kailangan aralin mo rin yung manual niya kung paano ba siya gagawin. Mas marami siyang screws. We're getting there. Kaka-itsura na siya, oh. So, yan yung mga drawers na isasalpak na lang doon. So, there you have it, guys. We've just finished to assemble this drawer. So, that's the finished product right there, ready to use. There we go. So, maya-maya lang, may laman na yan. O, diba? Okay. Tried and tested. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you again in my next videos.